Alright guys, good morning. Today I'm going to explain the project. So this is very important because this project will bring your grades up. The last day to submit work for my class before interims is Wednesday the 29th, 1 week from when I'm recording this. When you're watching this tomorrow, it should be 9/23. It'll be 6 days away. Again, if you have a D or an F, I have to call your parents and include a comment. So please make sure you get stuff done. We'll also have a makeup day probably next Wednesday for you guys to get any assignments that you missed done. All right? So please, any assignment you haven't turned in yet, make sure it gets done to me. For this project, we're going to talk about a utopia. Now, you should have learned yesterday in the reading that a utopia is an ideal place. Well, we're going to create our own ideal place. Now, it's not posted yet in your class. I'll post it after I record this video. So let me go to a class period that already has it posted right here. It's the same exact assignment, Utopia assignment. Now, for your class, you're going to do it on Google Slides. So ignore the part about paper. Yours will have to be Google Slides. Essentially, you'll be working on creating your own utopia. Now, use your time wisely. You have time to do 2 to 3 tasks in class each day. You're going to have 3 class periods to complete this. So you have today, Thursday, you have Friday, and you'll have Monday. All right, and I'll have this due like Monday at midnight or something like that. Now, again, yours has to be a PowerPoint. So on this screen, yours will look green. You'll have different fonts. But right over here, it should say Add or Create. You'll select Add or Create, and then you'll select Google Slides. It'll open up a slide. All right. Now, the best way to explain this, you can work with up to 2 other people. So groups of 3, groups of 2, or just by yourself, okay? You would share it with them. Make sure their name's on it as well, all right? Again, even if they're absent, it's still due when it's due. So don't slack because somebody's absent. Here is what you're being graded on. Each one of these things will be its own slide. Each gets its own slide. So you're going to have a total of 10 slides, all right? 1, a cover sheet. Okay, so name your society. Again, you're creating your own society from scratch. So get rid of everything you know. All right, name a new society. Create a logo. You can find the internet for a logo for your society. Make it make sense. Some students did Basketball Island, and the logo was a basketball. Make it make sense, and then include all names of the group members. All right. 2. The next slide, you put the name again, and you tell me why you chose that name. 3, the next slide, Declaration of Independence. I want you to answer all these questions. Again, this can be a real thing. This can be fake stuff. I've had students in the past use gun violence and drug use as a reason why they had to create a new society to escape those things. I've had a fan of The Walking Dead write that there was a zombie apocalypse, and so you had to create a new society away from everything else. It can be whatever you want it to be. You have as much artistic freedom and creative freedom as you want. Just answer these 5 things on slide 3. Okay? 4, a utopian motto and flag. Okay? A motto, for example, Nike's is just do it. Subway's is eat fresh. Okay? Make a motto for your society. Explain why that's your motto. Make a flag. You can do it in like paint. You can do whatever you want to do. Just make a flag and explain to me why you chose that flag. For example, United States flag, it has red, white, and blue. The red is for like the blood of people who died for our freedom. The stars represent the states. So explain this stuff. 5, the next slide. Pick an animal or a mascot. Include a picture of it. All right. Explain why you chose it. All right. 6, list of rules. Make 10 rules that everyone has to follow and explain why. If you're like, let's say you're colorblind and you can't see the color green, you can make it illegal to wear the color green because you can't see it. Explain why you chose it as well. 10 different rules. 7, a governing body. How is it going to be structured? Where you're going to have a democracy where it's by a king or a queen, democracy where it's voting. You're going to have anarchy where there's no government. A monarchy where there's a king or a queen, that's what I meant before, or a dictatorship where one person's in control and they control everything. All right? How you make decisions. Explain why you chose that. So it's whatever you want it to be. 8, the next slide, an invitation to friends. Write 4 sentences inviting someone to come to your society. Tell them what it's all about. Tell them why they should come. 9, holidays and celebrations. Create 5 holidays. 3 of them can be holidays that already exist. All right. 2 have to be unique. Now, in the past, students have done their birthday as one. And as an example, for me, I would make the day after the Super Bowl a holiday because I don't think we should have to come to work or school the day after the Super Bowl. So for me, I'd create football day, which is the Monday after the Super Bowl, and that'd be a holiday. Do whatever you want it to be. Okay, again, creativity here. An advertisement, develop a written advertisement or flyer for your community. This ad should be complete with pictures that are representative of picture of life in your society. Okay, so again, this is all in Google Slides. The more people you work with, the less work you have to do. Again, max of 3. Don't submit an assignment with 4 people. But if you do 2, now instead of doing 10 things, you have to do 5. You split up the work. 3, split up the work. It's your choice, though, but no more than 3. Again, if you have any questions, if you have any problems, please come see me in room 304. Send me an email at longa@readingst.org. Okay, make sure this gets done. If you have any questions, let me know.